Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. Today I am going to show you how to claim the digital subscription tax credit. Under Deductions, we want to click on Additional Deductions and Other Deduction Profile. For where it says, Did you subscribe to digital news? Select Yes. You can now click on Next to navigate to the digital subscription page. The maximum amount of the digital news subscription that can be claimed under this tax credit is $500. It is calculated by multiplying the lowest personal income tax rate of 15% by the total amounts paid by the individual. Please input the name of the subscription in the description box and indicate the amount you have paid in the corresponding field on the digital subscription page. After reviewing the 5-year comparative review, we can see that a non-refundable tax credit named Digital News Subscription Expenses of $100 has been applied. This confirms that the Digital News Subscription credit has been successfully applied. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.